Hey guys, Josh with Right Coast Off-Road. We've had this part out for a month and a half, 2 months now, because we knew about the issues with the clutch flexing on the new H2. We have not made a video. Somebody requested that, so this will explain more of why we're selling this, what it does, and why it is necessary. I hate to scare people into buying parts, but we've had a clutch crack. I know roughly probably 10 or so more people that I know personally that I've spoken to that had clutches crack and or explode on the H2. And essentially the reason it's happening is these towers are flexing. So when these towers start to flex, the crack we had develop was there, and you could see it on the sheave side and the brace side here. Luckily we knew it was shifting funny, so we pulled it apart and found it before it exploded. But essentially, there's your primary spring. Always leave that in, right, kids? Essentially, what's going on, so this is your stock plate. Not much to it, cast, really light. I mean, mass-produced. Stock plate drops on there. And the only thing keeping all of this linked together are the bolts. So the bolts can stretch, the threads can pull, all kinds of stuff can happen to let these towers flex, which can crack your outer sheave on your primary. So our solution to that is a billet plate, not cast, so it's less likely to flex, a lot stronger. But the important thing here are these braces that drop down in between the towers. So now, with our upgraded plate and the bolts in, these actually lock the towers together, so you're not just relying on the bolts. So if these towers start to flex, they're going to be stopped by that instead of pulling the threads out of the bolts that go in here. And you can see it's a nice snug fit. Like there's almost no play once the bolts are in. So this is going to save you guys a lot of trouble. I'm going to put a picture in here in a second with my horrible video editing skills that shows where ours was cracked. And luckily we caught it before it exploded. But if you've got an H2, you're riding it any kind of hard at all, get one of these. $229.99, free shipping in the US. This will save you guys so much trouble, man. Like, because when these things come apart, it takes out boxes, it'll dent frames, it'll take out wiring harnesses. It can even, you know, worst case scenario, could hurt somebody. I hope it doesn't, but it could. But this plate will stop 99% of that. If you guys do get one of these and install it, inspect your primary, especially on this outer sheave where your weights are, really good, and make sure there's no cracks there. Because this is, you know, it's not going to repair it. It's not a band-aid. This is a preventative measure. So if you got a new H2, got one you've been riding, super easy to replace. You don't have to take the clutch off. You don't have to take the belt off. You just got to take these 6 bolts out and do them in a cross pattern easily, and the plate will lift off. And then you put your new plate on, hold a little pressure on it, and start putting your bolts in. Torque value is 17 foot-pounds. We do 18 or so. And just do it in a cross pattern. Once you get them all in, torque to 18 foot-pounds and you're good. And the bracing here and the overall rigidity of this plate is going to stop the towers from flexing and causing issues. We have them on our website. I'll put a link below. And other than that, guys, we've still got our H2. We're still riding our H2 as much as we can, testing it out. We're not one of these companies that has to borrow other people's machines. If we're going to sell parts for it, we own it. We know what it does. We know what it doesn't do. I'm not a fan of people that sell parts for these things and don't actually have one to test on or had to borrow one. But it is what it is. But guys, this plate will save you a ton of heartache and time and money if your clutch explodes. $229.99, free shipping in the US. Much more durable than this thing with no bracing and cast. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description, and you guys have a good day. Thanks.